you the ABCs. That's the cool thing about a second child. You just have to sit and drink coffee all day. Oh yeah. Another thought. I met a woman with 10 kids. Her 5-year-old and 7-year-old did laundry for the entire family. Just a thought. What's that? And you're 2. I know you're 2. You're a big girl. Let's go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. And the wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Oh. And the horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. And the doors on the bus open and shut, open and shut.